Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I want to show you how to draw one of my favorite breakfast foods, and that is cartoon biscuits and gravy. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon biscuits and gravy, I'm going to begin up here and we're going to make the gravy first. Now to do this, I'm going to start here and we're just going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy line for the top of our gravy. Next, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up. And then I'm just going to make a few more kind of wavy lines like this for the top. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down. And over here, I'm going to make a longer line that goes down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across, but I'm making it a little bumpy too, just so it has a little more texture to it. Now, starting here, I'm going to make another layer of gravy, so I'm going to make another kind of wavy line. You can make this however wavy you want it. Then starting here, I'm going to make another line that goes down, and one over here that goes down. Then I'm going to make a little line that comes across, and then this time I'm going to go up and then down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and then curves around. And then I'm just going to make kind of like a little bit of like a wavy line up here that comes up. Now, starting right here, let's add some faces onto our biscuits. So to begin, we're going to make a circle shape right here. Want to leave some space, and we'll make another circle shape here for the other eye. Next, just draw a little black dot inside each one. I'm going to make a smiley face in between the eyes with a little line that's going to go down and then up. A little sad face in here for the tongue. Then I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to add a circle here and another circle over here. This time I'm going to make a little black dot up here and then one more up here. And I'm going to make the mouth kind of go up at an angle and a little line right here. Now I'm going to make a little line up here and a little line up here for the eyebrows. And then this one I'm going to make a little line down and then a little line that comes across here, kind of like he's raising his eyebrow at him. Now, the last thing I want to do in here is I'm just going to add some little black dots around here just to make it look like there's bits of black pepper in our gravy. So we're just going to put these right on our gravy, just kind of spread them all around here. And don't forget to put them down here as well. We're just going to put them all over. No right or wrong way or location to put these. You can even put some on the side here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of some biscuits and gravy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.